let's talk about taking the camper on and off the truck. Lots of questions about how hard or how easy it is, how long it takes on a Scout camper. You can do this by yourself. I've been working out, I'm feeling jacked, a little chubby still, but this is a manual hand crake, so you can stick this guy in, and right here, you can bring it down. I'll show you guys that while we're at it. So you'll be able to bring your jacks down this way, but this takes a while. So I'm about efficiency. The camper comes with a manual hand crank and this nice little bit that goes in your drill. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly how to buzz this down. I just thought of something. Come over for 1 second. I'm just going to show you guys quickly how we you just need to loosen up your ratchets first, or else you'll be working against yourself. So just unlock it. Unlocks. You can pull your hook out. So that's your ratchet straps that come with the camper. So before get you carried away, you want to make sure you loosen all those. I think I actually did the other ones. I just forgot to grab this one. I'm just going to show you guys. So that's undone. Now we can bring this all the way down. We'll just touch it for now. That's good. Go to the next one. Push that one down. Go to the passenger side here. We'll run these guys down quick. So you'll notice on my truck we have blocks underneath the jacks. That's because my truck's lifted 6 inches, so it gets a little bit short, but you might not need those. It's a nice flat platform underneath the jack, so it works. So when you raise and lower the camper, you want to do it about 6 inches at a time. So I'm going to bring this one up a bit. Bring this guy up here a bit. Actually, I'll do the other side, on the front corner first. We need a battery in this drill here. We're making it work. So we're getting a new battery, so we're gonna just swap that out quick. You can see it's pretty much the weight's off the truck now, and we'll just switch out the battery and we'll lift it up a little bit further. Back where we left off, new battery here. So we're going to, if we got two batteries. So two batteries not charged, so you guys get to see me do a little manual cranking here. So this thing's almost up anyways. Batteries died right before. So it's up. So I'm gonna jump in the truck, drive it out. Add a little booper there. Ideally have the jacks in the extended position for loading and unloading. We were just having too much fun just messing around with the crank. Didn't do it, but we did it now, so we're going to drive this thing out 5 weeks, so it should be good. So let's show you guys how easy it is to install the Scout camper on your truck. I just got my truck washed. I took it off, took the camper off, gave it a little bath, cut the salt out of there from the winter, and then put the camper back on the truck. So I'm going to back it underneath the camper right now, and let's show you how we install it on the truck. So we'll start on the passenger side here. The camper needs to come a hair this way. So we'll start on the passenger side and get this side down a little bit first to shift it. You can see it's doing, and we're going to bring it forward. And I'll go to the driver's side, do the same thing. I think when we did the take off, we were about maybe 5 minutes. So, I mean, overall, it's pretty quick. Hopefully there's not much fine tuning here and we have to redo this. Get the idea. Basically just work it down slowly, side to side. Once the weight's on the truck, it's good. Having some technical delays as we're in the middle of a hailstorm out here up in BC, Canada. And they're pretty big little marbles coming down. They kind of hurt, so we're just taking a little break while hail settles over. Be back at it in a second. Oh, here it comes again. So before we lower this thing all the way down, we want to ensure our ratchets are back secured. So I'm going to get this ratchet down here, right into the corner there. I'm a little short, so I'm going to just give a little extra length. Yeah, got that one hooked in. That's good. We'll come to the back here, put a ladder for this. Try and get you a good view of this because the ratchets are kind of a big question. So yeah, there's my little anchor points right there. So I'm just going to take this, pop her in there. We can do the same thing on the other side. Get that hook in there good. And then I'm going to grab the ladder here, get this other front one. And then we're going to bring her all the way down. Put this down for a sec, see if I can reach this guy. Don't need my ladder, a little too short again. Yep, got that one hooked in. We're going to bring her down. So I'm going to bring the passenger side down a bit again first. It's a little bit higher, so let's bring it down, touch her down. So that's down, let's leave it there for now. Let's bring this one down now too. Same thing. It's not that bad, you know, you just got your power drill and bring her down step by step. Get the weight off, flick it, buzz them up now. So I'll take the weight off this one. Buzz up the last two after, but I mean after that it's camper's on. You're gonna go tighten the ratchet straps, make sure they're really tight in there. Then you're gonna plug in your 7-way right here to the underside of the driver's side of the camper. That's gonna run your clearance lights. It's gonna allow your truck to charge the Yeti, all that kind of fun stuff. So I think overall, I mean we're about 5 minutes, 10 minutes on the taking the camper off. Putting it back on took us a little bit longer. Just wait for our batteries to charge. We had a hailstorm. It kind of broke down up with some brakes, but I mean, if you use a hand crank, you probably do it in like 20 minutes. So the more you do it, the faster you get. It's actually the first time I've taken my own camper on off the truck, so there's a few extra hiccups. One thing was these jacks should be out all the way when you're loading and unloading. We were sleeping when we did this, I think, so that was a little blooper, but it still holds the weight. All the newer models have a second bracket on the jacks, so that's extra stability. And again, yeah, your ratchets are right underneath the corners of the camper. They're about 15.5 inches back from the front and rear corners of the camper. So if you're trying to place them in your truck, that's where they're going to be. Other than that, this guy's ready to hit the road. So thanks for watching.